In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through your Microsoft PowerPoint presentations, especially useful when you need to quickly jump between slides during a presentation. This simple technique will make your presentations not only more fluid, but also more professional, ensuring your audience stays engaged without the distraction of manual scrolling through slides. First, let's open the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file that you intend to work with today. Before you get started, make sure that all your slides are in order and that you've reviewed your content to make any last-minute adjustments. This initial preparation ensures you'll be able to move seamlessly through your slides once you proceed into the slideshow mode. Once your presentation file is open, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen, where you'll find the slideshow button. Clicking this will take you into the full screen mode of your presentation, offering a clear view of how your slides will appear to your audience. Entering this slideshow mode is crucial because it allows you to manipulate your slides without any of the distracting editing tools visible. Now let's talk about how to jump directly to any specific slide you want. Imagine you're currently on slide 1 and you wish to move swiftly to slide 5 without going through slides 2, 3, and 4. Instead of repeatedly clicking next or fumbling through your deck, you can simply type the slide number followed by the Enter key on your keyboard. This command will immediately transport you from your current slide directly to the desired slide number, in this case, slide 5. It's a quick and efficient method, ensuring you only present what's necessary at exactly the right moment. This technique is particularly beneficial during Q&A sessions, or if you're presenting to an audience and they ask about a particular segment from earlier in your presentation. By knowing this trick, you can instantly jump to the relevant content, enhancing your professionalism and competence in using the software. After navigating through your slides, or once your presentation is complete, you can simply exit slideshow mode, bringing you back to the regular editing view. This exit is your opportunity to recheck or review the presentation for future edits or to wind down after delivering your talk. Remember, practicing this method before your actual presentation will build confidence, allowing you to handle any situation where navigating between slides becomes necessary. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can manage your PowerPoint presentations more effectively, ensuring uninterrupted audience engagement and a smooth delivery of your content. Happy presenting!